You know that sound. Everybody in here is grimacing just hearing it. If you're like most people, just the thought of taking a trip to the dentist can be painful. In fact, 10% of American adults say they feel very afraid to terrified of going to the dentist. But the good news, there are some high-tech and natural ways to relieve the stress and pain caused by fillings, root canals, and other dental work. And here with more from New York's Presbyterian Hospital is holistic dentist Dr. Robert Veligdon. Nice to have you with us, Doctor.
Well said. Thanks.
I think that probably if they just got rid of the sound of that drill, people would feel a whole lot better.
Oh, God. We've been trying to eliminate that sound for many, many years.
Long time.
But there are a lot of new technologies that are coming to pass that are really helping to ease the anxiety and pain.
And let's talk about that, Doctor. That's essentially what you're doing here. You're assisting people to get rid of the fears they have about going to the dentist and some of the phobias that create problems when you're at the dentist. You're not necessarily suggesting that what we're going to talk about today is a substitute for a local anesthetic when you're having a root canal.
Absolutely
or when
right.
you have an abscess or when you have any of these things.
Exactly.
So we want to be careful. This
supplements. In addition, sometimes you can use it instead of, but that's only for minor procedures. For something like a root canal or somebody has an abscess or a serious problem, these only maybe help to relieve the anxiety to the state that you can give Novocaine, because some people are so nervous about it, they hyperventilate. One of the girls backstage was talking to me about she hyperventilates when she comes to the office, and that way she can't even receive treatment. So you need something maybe to calm down the rapid heart rate or the hyperventilation so that you can even start treatment.
So let's start from there. A person is very, very nervous about going to the dentist. What would be some of the ways that you would, or some of the things that you would recommend to them to deal with this a little bit better?
Well, first of all, I like to make sure that this person is in tune with alternative medicine and alternative dentistry in this case. And most of my patients are open to it, and some people actually request it because there are an increasing number of Americans that are seeking alternative therapy. I just want to mention that, that when we talk about alternative therapy, we have to recognize that what we consider alternative therapy is traditional medicine to 80% of the world. That being said, I want to say also that in 1993, a third of Americans sought alternative care, and they spent about $14 billion. So it's really come to the forefront. It's a revolution in. So first, I want to make sure that they're okay with having this holistic treatment, because of course I use all the tools of traditional medicine and dentistry as well.
To take care of the actual dental problem, but what we're talking about here is sort of slipping people into a better state of mind, shall we say, bringing down that hyperventilating level and that nervous level.
Right, exactly.
And we're going to do that when we come back. We're going to talk more specifically about that. Have to take a break right now, so you can calm down. We can all calm down. If you have a question, call us now at 1-888-TEL-FOX. We'll be right back.